The Song of the Wind, a swordsman's enlightenment. High atop Mount Celadon, where clouds brushed the snow-capped peaks, lived Kai, a warrior renowned for his unmatched swordsmanship. His blade, named Storm's Fury, sang a deadly song on countless battlefields. Yet, despite his victories, a hollowness gnawed at his soul. Each duel left a bitter aftertaste, a growing sense that victory was a fleeting illusion. One night, under a tapestry of stars, Kai knelt before the weathered face of Master Lin, the mountain's sole inhabitant and rumored sword sage. "Master," Kai confessed, frustration lacing his voice, "victory feels empty. There must be more to the blade than bloodshed." Master Lin, eyes crinkled with wisdom, smiled. "Ah, Kai, you seek the true symphony of the sword, a melody beyond clash and clang." He pointed to a lone cherry blossom tree, its delicate petals swaying in the mountain breeze. "Look closely, student." Kai focused, observing the blossom dance with the wind. Its movements, though seemingly fragile, held a strength, an unwavering resilience. He watched in awe as a strong gust threatened to rip the blossom free, yet it bent, then gracefully yielded, only to rise again stronger. "The wind," Master Lin said, his voice a gentle murmur, "does not fight. It flows, adapts." True mastery of the sword lies not in brute force, but in understanding the flow of battle, the harmony within the chaos. The next morning, Master Lin led Kai to a hidden valley, shrouded in perpetual mist. There stood a field of bamboo, each stalk swaying in unison with the invisible wind. "Train here," Master Lin instructed. "Feel the wind's song, learn to move with it." Days bled into weeks. Kai practiced, his movements initially rigid, his frustration mounting. But slowly, a change occurred. He began to sense the wind's whispers, its direction and rhythm. His blade, once a weapon of aggression, became an extension of his body, responding instinctively. One day, a ferocious storm lashed the valley. While other bamboo stalks snapped, Kai danced with the wind, his sword becoming a blur. He no longer saw individual strikes, but a flowing sequence, a reflection of the wind's chaotic harmony. Exhausted but exhilarated, Kai stood beneath the clearing sky. He understood. The true power of the sword didn't lie in its sharpness, but in becoming one with the fight, anticipating strikes, flowing around them. It was about understanding the opponent, the battlefield, and the dance of life and death. He returned to Master Lin, a newfound peace radiating from him. "You have learned the song of the wind," Master Lin said with a knowing smile. "Now go, Kai, and let your blade sing a song of peace, not just war." Kai descended Mount Celadon, forever changed. He no longer sought battles, but became a protector, his sword a deterrent, its song a reminder that sometimes, the greatest victory lies in avoiding the clash altogether. His legend grew, not as a fearsome warrior, but as a silent guardian, his blade a symbol of tranquility, a testament to the true enlightenment he found in the heart of the storm.